we go. Next stop, Mexico.
The big adventure. Woo-hoo.
Well, that was nice visiting Tubac. And now we're on our way to Nogales
Yeah.
for a nice restful night in the Walmart parking lot.
Let's hope. You never know. Maybe. Or maybe not.
Good morning, friends.
Well, this is a big day.
We are up at the crack of dawn. Not that we slept, but anyway, we're ready to cross the border into Mexico. Ole!
Yep, we'll be leaving the Walmart parking lot in Nogales. 10-minute drive to the border. Talk to you later.
Ciao.
Yeah, really, eh? There are hogs in the parking lot. You forgot to mention that in the video.
I know.
Hogs in the pecorinos in
No,
the
peccary,
parking lot.
right?
Peccaries. Okay.
Something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, something like that. Nasty little hog-like creature.
They are, I've heard that they can attack, actually. Watching for hogs and, oh, look at that moon. Wow. Those hogs were, they're big animals. Wow, little pigs.
In a quarter mile. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
We are in, well, sort of in Mexico.
Oh, another trophy. What's this say? Cattle guard ahead. Cattle guard? Welcome
Yeah,
to
look.
Mexico.
Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos a Mexico.
And there's a dog running around. So now we're going to kilometer 21?
Yep.
Not too fast because there could be peccaries on the
Peccaries on the road.
road. We can use our Mexican phones now.
Kind of confusing in the dark.
Yeah, it is.
Glad it'll be getting light
It's
soon.
such-
220, I
first.
think.
There's a 20. Woohoo!
Buenos dias.
Here's the 20, huh?
115.
Oh. 113.
113. This is the border. Yeah, you're
This is
right.
the border.
This is the border.
It's not 20. Yeah.
That's the first toll before the border that they were talking about.
That was fast. I haven't even got them out yet.
Good.
So far, so good.
Buenos dias. Buen día.
Yes. It's parked just up ahead, please. Aquí
Derecha.
adelante? Yeah, just right here.
Okay. Sí.
¿A dónde van ahorita?
Vamos a San Carlos.
San Carlos.
Sí.
¿Vienen de Canadá?
Sí. La isla de Vancouver. Oh, he's going to do an inspection.
Okay. Turn on the light for him.
Perfecto, entonces más kilómetros vecinos.
Muy bien.
Gracias.
Feliz Navidad. Gracias. I just said San Carlos when he said where we're going.
Yeah.
Whoa, rock, first rock.
Well, we're in Mexico. First light, we got to the border.
It's exactly 7 a.m. and we're on our way to kilometer 21.
Kilometer 21 is where we get our official tourist visa and register the vehicle. So the sun's coming up and we're on our way.
Another one. They don't say tope, they say reductor de velocidad.
Yeah.
Speed reducer. We're neck and neck with the top of the train.
Great. This is it here.
What?
This is it.
Wow, I would have missed this. I definitely would have missed this. Don't accept help from strangers. Ask the customs agent if you're in any doubt. I would have missed this, honey. I would have blown right by this.
We're here at kilometer 21 getting our FMM tourist visa. Here we are in line up to get our temporary vehicle input permit. And it's chilly.
It's so rad actually.
Just leaving Panjercito. Whoa, there's a big drop here. Kilometer 21. I think it's a sort of like a big humongous tope. There we go.
Maybe it wasn't where I was supposed to go out, but anyway.
We're on the road officially in Mexico.
Yes, we've done all our paperwork and got our tourist visa done, and oh boy, temporary vehicle
And let's put
permit.
Let's put it this way. I saw a bowl of water on the ground and it had ice on it.
Oh, it was freezing cold in Mexico, believe it or not. It's getting warm now that the sun is up though. And we're on the road. Next stop, San Carlos and the beaches.
Yay!
Paseo con Gary.
We know it's this way because we have the mountains right beside them. We must be pretty close.
Getting there. Remember, we haven't gotten down to the water yet.
I think we're coming close to it.
That's the red sign right there, I believe.
It is. I can see it. It says Totonaka. Wow.
We're here, honey.
Totonaka.
Totonaka RV Park, San Carlos, and look, there's the ocean, the Pacific Ocean.
We're here.
We are here. We made it
We made
to our
it.
first stop in Mexico.
We didn't bust. We made it. Mexico or bust. Wow, honey, we're here. place is this? Relaxing, watching the world go by at Totonaka.
All right, leaving Totonaka RV Park in San Carlos on our way to Mazatlan with a stop overnight at a truck stop in Los Mochis. A little bit apprehensive about stopping on the side of a road at a truck stop in Mexico, so let's see how that goes. Something happening ahead.
Yep. Phytosanitary stop ahead.
Yep.
Obligatory phytosanitary? What's that? Phytosanitario?
Yeah. Probably under the
60.
treatments of fruits and vegetables.
I have fruits and vegetables.
No, I mean,
Oh.
yeah, I don't know what's going to happen here.
60.
Put your camera on.
Oh, right. It's here. I guess it's just if they want to stop you, right? Lots of topes.
Hola, buenos días.
Gracias.
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 Tenga un buen día.
Woohoo! We just passed through our second check. Well,
First Sinaloa check, but there will be more.
there will be more. Ba, 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 ba.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Oh,
I don't think so.
I do see
Unless
signs
the
up
sign
ahead.
says to turn left. Our stop for the night.
Alright. Well, you've done great planning so far, can I say? Honestly. I'm suddenly tired. My eyes are tired. Restaurante Grill Stop.
Aww. But it could probably go back up.
Yeah, I think so.
So we'll park this way and we can bring our thing out pointing.
Oh, yay.
Yeah.
Which area? Which area?
Right here. Right up against the. This is the idea.
There's a picnic table down there. Oh, and restaurant. Are those restaurants? No. You have to watch branches.